So then we go into the accounts. Let's look at the accounts. So we go to the accounts and we've got the same sort of information. The beauty with all these pages you're going to start seeing is the format's the same. Account, deals, contacts, activities, emails. Whether it's a lead, contact or account or even deals, it's all very familiar and you're going to find the information. You can jump around. The beauty of Zoho CRM is you can really find 5 different ways to get to the information, Get into the contact, get into the deal. You can search up here for the deal. But you can have all this customer's information. You may have previous money and things. Well, that depends on what version you're on. Any parent account. If you can have all this information on annual revenue, website, all good information to have at your fingertips, isn't it? To be able to click and go find out about this company. Billing, notes, deals, everything's the same. And again, this company's social media. So you might want to talk to Tio about things that are happening at the company, anything like that. So it's very much like the contact information, but as I said, accounts is who's paying the bill, right?